What up, Keto fam? DJ Keto here, where I vlog myself cooking keto-friendly dishes, and today I'll be making some cookies. This is my personal favorite recipe. What I like to do is add a sugar-free pudding packet to my mix, and since the pudding packet is sweetened a little bit, we won't have to add that much sugar. So if that sounds good to you, give this video a thumbs up. But first, Bulletproof Coffee. Love starting my day with a bulletproof coffee. Hey, check out my new mug. Leave a comment if you like it. Now let's get to the ingredients. We have our instant pudding. That's what's going to determine the flavor of cookies you want. We're gonna need chocolate chips. I found these guys at Walmart the other day. I'm going to make a pistachio white chocolate, and then the second batch I'm gonna do a chocolate with mint chips. And we're gonna need some vanilla, baking powder, eggs, butter, brown sugar, this is Swerve, and we'll need some almond flour. So the first batch we'll make will be the pistachio and white chocolate. The family is definitely excited about this one, so we'll make this one up first. So what we'll need is 8 tablespoons of butter, salted butter, 1 egg, a 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we'll use a hand mixer to mix all this together. Once this is all mixed together, we'll add in the dry ingredients. We have 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 packet of the pudding, ¾ cups of almond flour, and a 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. And we'll mix this all together. Once you have the cookie mix all mixed together, I have a baking sheet lined with a non-stick mat, and I have the oven preheated to 350. I have this little ice cream scooper, and we will just drop these on. And the recipe says once you have the cookies laid out, use a little spatula and smash them down a little bit. And then we'll bake this for about 5 to 10 minutes. You want to keep an eye on it. You want them to be lightly golden brown, but not too golden brown, or the cookies they'll just crumble. We have the first batch done baking. You see it's nice and golden brown on the edges, and we'll let this sit and cool. Okay, Keto fam, we're all done baking. Let's give this a try. First, the pistachio white chocolate. Good pistachio flavor. Now let's try the mint chocolate chip. This one I'm really excited for. Yeah, the chocolate chips adds a real good mint flavor to it. No need to add extra mint extract or anything. Still got my Bulletproof. This should go good. This is really good. You guys should give it a try. Go to your local Walmart, find them chocolate chips. There's even other flavors. And try other flavored puddings. There's so many varieties you can make with. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe so you can see more food like this. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. I'm gonna finish this now.